The love for Aligarh Muslim University comes naturally to its alumni, owing largely to its extremely rich heritage. The university came into existence thanks to the clarity of vision, sincerity, determination and struggle of its founder, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The university cultivates the same values in the hearts and minds of its students. Generally, the students tend to forget their alma mater, but a strong sense of belonging is the hallmark of the old boys of Aligarh Muslim University. The Department of Mass Communication, Aligarh Muslim University, is greatly indebted to Mr. Frank F. Islam for funding the department's new facility. His generosity gave birth to the state-of-the-art Frank and Debbie Auditorium. The university administration, especially the Vice-Chancellor Professor Tariq Mansoor, made it a point to see the auditorium came into being in a hassle-free manner. Mr. Frank Islam is an entrepreneur, investor, writer, a civic leader, and above all, a philanthropist who founded the Frank Islam and Debbie Driesman Foundation. The foundation employs philanthropy as strategic investment for the future, focusing on the promotion of education, arts and culture. Mr. Frank Islam was born in Azamgarh and studied at Aligarh Muslim University before moving to the United States at a very young age, where he established himself as an extremely successful entrepreneur. He founded an information technology firm, QSS Group, in 1994 and transformed it to a company with a revenue of $300 million. Despite making his fortune in the States, his love for his alma mater convinced him to invest on infrastructure at Aligarh Muslim University. His generous funding can be seen in the form of new building at the Department of Mass Communication, as well as the Frank and Debbie Islam Management Complex, which houses Aligarh Muslim University's Department of Business Administration and Faculty of Management Studies and Research. The seed of investment sown on this fertile land will surely propel a new generation of community leaders, entrepreneurs and media persons who will continue the philanthropic legacy of Mr. Frank Islam.